Start off? Yeah. Good evening. I'm Sheshadri. I'll be handling social science and some part of English for 10th CBSE. Dear students, please note this revised syllabus is only for 10th CBSE. If there are any 10th state students, you can please ignore this. This is specifically only for revised syllabus of 10th CBSE social science. I will run through whatever are the changes that are there, and in the end we will also be uploading this in the app so that you don't have to actually physically write it down, but I'll run through the whole syllabus. Yeah, so here the syllabus of each subject has been reduced by 30%. There's no reduction in units. A few topic from the units has been reduced, and there is no change in the question paper design and the topology of the questions. Then the course structure remains the same. Theory paper will be for 80 marks, 20 marks on each of the units. Now, in India and the contemporary world, first one, rise of nationalism, no change. And nationalism in India, there is no change. Now, this second section, making of the global world and age of industrialization, both are will be in your internal periodic tests only. It will not be evaluated in the main exam. So this will be restricted to what internal work they give you in the school. But between making of global world and age of industrialization, you will have to choose only one of them, and it will be done only at the school level. Then this one is deleted. You can note this. Everyday life and culture. This is section 3 in unit 1. The whole section has been removed. Okay. Then going forward, contemporary India 2, the geography part, resources and development is there. There's no change. This, please note, forest and wildlife. This has been deleted. This chapter, forest and wildlife, is deleted. And water resources, 1 minute, where did that disappear? Yeah, water resources right here. Water resources, there will be no theory here, and only the map items, the map item list we have given in the end of this presentation, which you can see, like I told you, you can see it in the app. So there will be no theory from this chapter, water resources, only the map list or the items in the map you will have to identify and locate. So there will be marks only for that. Then agriculture, there is no change as it is. This also similarly, just like water resources, minerals and energy resources. This also is the same. You will have no theory questions on this. You will have only map items. And manufacturing industries, there is no change. It's the same. Lifelines of national economy remains the same, no change. Then we come to unit 3. Here in unit 3, all the 8 old ones were listed, of which these 3 are deleted. Power sharing is there, federalism is there, democracy and diversity is deleted, gender, religion and caste is deleted, popular struggle and movements, this is also deleted. So out of 8, 3 are deleted, the remaining 5 are there. Power sharing, federalism, political parties, outcomes of democracy, and challenges to democracy. These 5 will be there in the new syllabus. Then coming to the last one, Unit 4. In this, the old one had 5. So development is there, sectors of the Indian economy will be there, money and credit is there, globalization in the Indian economy is there, consumer rights is deleted. So only this one you can note, consumer right will be deleted in this. The next part is, this is the list of map items. The list is quite long. This, we will be uploading this whole syllabus in the app, so you can in detail note down. Basically, wherever chapters which are there, the regular chapters, those also have got some maps. And in some months, like I said, for example, water resources and mineral and energy resources, there you will have to concentrate only mineral energy. This one also. These are the only things which will be asked. It's written here also. Only map items of this chapter are listed above will be evaluated in board exams. The same what we told there is repeated here again. So these are the map items. This is for the lifelines of national economy again. So we will not be ending this session. Mr. Amrut will be continuing for the English session. Thank you. Social science. And dear students, when we start social, the first chapter in history, the rise to nationalism in Europe, that will be the chapter we will be starting. Okay. Do we need to say anything?